Welcome to Perth, Western Australia. One of the first places we wanted to visit was the historic town of Fremantle. Known to the locals as Freo, known for its maritime history, Victorian architecture, and remnants from Australia's days as a British penal colony. Fremantle Prison, which housed convicts from the 1850s to 1991, now features recreated cell blocks. The 12-sided round house, a landmark 1831 building, also briefly functioned as a jail. But it is also known for vibrancy, colour, and culture. The buskers and the sidewalks fill with a wild collection of art and the music that can be heard from trendy cafes and bars. Next, we are off to the Aquarium of Western Australia, a must-see while you are in Perth. We took the glass-bottom boat experience, which included entry, glide across the top of Australia's largest single aquarium in a custom glass-bottom boat. A short walk from the aquarium is Hillary's Boardwalk, a beautiful spot for shopping and grabbing a bite to eat and even enjoying a swim. On to the beautiful city of Perth. We did find parking a little bit of a problem, but this was our first time here. The bell tower is a great place to visit, and when you reach the top and go out and see the city below, is an amazing sight to see. Located near Elizabeth Quay, wherein you can purchase and board the boat to Rottnest Island. For a lovely afternoon walk, we went to the Western Australian Botanic Garden. Take a stroll and enjoy all the sights and smells of the flowers with the beautiful Swan River as the backdrop. Of course, while here in this part of the world, we couldn't leave before trying to find at least one of the Giants of Mandurah. We did manage to find Santi Icto, but unfortunately none of the rest. But that was due more to the fact our time in Perth was coming to an end. Our last few days we spent visiting small country towns and seaside villages like Two Rocks, now famous for the giant statue of King Neptune, and is a major landmark in the suburb, and is a remnant of the defunct Atlantis Marine Park. Perth Zoo was our last stop before leaving Perth and heading to our next location. We spent the afternoon here at Perth Zoo but wished we had come in the morning, as on this particular day, it was the hottest day we had since arriving in Perth. But despite this, we did have a great time. And with that, our time here in Perth is over. We spent 7 days here and had an amazing time and hope to come back one day. The biggest disappointment we had was that we had planned to visit Rottnest Island, but because we had some unexpected repairs to be done on our ute, like 4 new tyres, that trip had to be postponed till next time we visit. I hope you enjoyed this small look around Perth, and if you like what you have seen, please like and subscribe.